Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lollipops from scratch. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured out and ready to go. This includes 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Don't forget your favorite flavor extract and food coloring to customize your treats. Also, prepare your lollipop sticks and a suitable mold or parchment paper for shaping. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let the syrup boil. It's crucial to use a candy thermometer here. You're aiming for a precise temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius for that perfect hard candy stage. Once your syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Let it cool for just 2 to 3 minutes. This slight cooling prevents the flavor from evaporating. Now, carefully stir in your desired flavor extract and a few drops of food coloring for that vibrant look. Work quickly but carefully to pour the hot, flavored syrup into your prepared lollipop molds or onto parchment paper, inserting the sticks as you go. After pouring, let your lollipops cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely hardened. Once firm, carefully remove them from the molds or parchment paper. To keep them fresh and prevent stickiness, wrap each lollipop individually in cellophane. For more great tips and deals, including a link for fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below this video. They are perfect for keeping your kitchen organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.